Hi everybody, this is Susie. Thank you for watching today. Today I wanted to show you some Christmas decor I made. Nice decor for in a corner of your home or anywhere you want to put it. This is some gold planter I made with some red beads down in here. And silver Christmas tree. And I put together this Dollar Tree Christmas tree. Actually, there's two here. I got a white one and a gold one I put together. And I'll put a link below on how I made the tree. And I put some gold bells here. Little ornament on it. Put this basket together. And we got a Santa in here. Got some beads I picked up at Walmart. Let's give it another extra pop of color. And a little sign with a truck on it. Christmas trees. Got that at Walmart. Also, I got some gold booties. Got some presents. Shiny presents. Another silver Christmas tree. Little red bow right here. And these are just placemats I put on here. And some more down here. Some more placemats. Put down in there. Just some Christmas home decor. You can decorate your home. Different areas of your home. And I put a light, some red lights on this one. Give a little more sparkle. And I want to thank you all for watching. Have any questions or comments, leave them below. Bye-bye for now.